Hi everybody, I just got my package from Mike and Funny Bone with my merch, so if you want to see the unboxing, make sure you stick around so you can see what I ordered and why I was so excited. Hi everybody, I'm Savage Siren, and I did my first order to Little Mike and Funny Bones. I did not just get my package in the mail. It came a couple days ago. I did pop it open. I kind of looked at it. But this will be my unbagging video so you guys can see what it is and why I was so excited. So, let's finish. I made sure the hole was small so I could shove it all back in. So, let's start with, this is a t-shirt. This was a present. I'm sad because I want it. Fry bread snacking. Sorry, fry bread snacking. So, this was the first one I got. It is a small. The material is super soft. I actually really like it and I'm kind of jealous. So, but yes, this is the first one I got. I am definitely gonna be making a second order. I unfortunately have to wrap this one up as a Christmas present. I'm excited to see the person's face because I know they're gonna be just excited because they've been wanting one. So that part I am excited for. So I will have to make a second order because I wanted to get a hoodie off their website as well. And if you guys want to check out their merch, I'll make sure to put the link on my YouTube, this will be a cross-platform video, underneath, so you guys can find it as well. If not, you guys can go search Little Mike and Funny Bone on pretty much every platform, I believe. And then these are the leggings I got, which I'm super, super excited about. So I will be obviously posting videos in these. These are actually super soft. They are, I want to say they're nylon, but they're super stretchy. They're soft, and I'm really excited to wear them. So make sure you guys follow up for my second order. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and leave comments below of stuff you guys want to see me do. I'm trying to work on my content creator channel more and more, so I have not done an unboxing in a minute, so I figured I'd do that because I have missed a couple Shein orders and I have not done unboxing videos for those. So I appreciate you guys for logging in and taking the time to make it to this far in the video. Again, make sure you guys go check out Mike and Little Funny Bone. Little Mike and Funny Bone, my bad. On their page for more merch. They come in different sizes, kids sizes included. I did see stickers and all kinds of stuff. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.